What's up everybody, it's Jayden with the Joe Taylor Group and Love Local Real Estate, going to talk to you today about 4 tips that you need to know as a first-time home buyer. It's Jayden with the Joe Taylor Group and Love Local Real Estate, here to talk to you today about tips for first-time home buyers. Lots of first-time home buyers out there. The biggest tips that I can offer to you guys is, first of all, to get pre-approved with the mortgage lender. The reason why it's important to get pre-approved first as opposed to start looking at houses first is that the market is very hot right now. Lots of buyers. If you find a house that you love, you don't want to be spending time scrambling to get your pre-approval letter. You want to have that with you, ready to go for when you want us to write an offer for you. We have that pre-approval letter that we can send in with that offer. Second point that I want to give you as a first-time home buyer is to offer aggressively. As I mentioned before, it's a very, very competitive market right now, meaning that inventory is low. There's lots of buyers due to the great interest rates right now. If you want to have a shot at these houses, you're not going to want to be lowballing sellers. You want to be offering them at or above asking price. You're not going to want to be asking for closing costs. You're going to want to offer your highest and best typically if you want to have a chance to lock in a solid house that's perfect for you and your family. The third tip that I'd like to offer you guys as first-time home buyers is to find houses that have been on the market a little longer and might need a little bit of work. The reason being is the houses that are turnkey ready, that look great in the pictures, those are the ones that have 50+ offers at this time. If you find a house that needs a little bit of work or has been on the market a little longer, there's going to be less competition. You won't have to offer insane amounts of money above asking price. That's really the only great way that you can get a good deal at this time. So that's something that I highly recommend. The last tip that I can offer you guys as first-time buyers is just to be persistent. And this market is very competitive. It's very rare for you to get the very first house you fall in love with, but I promise you that is, you're willing to be patient, we'll find the perfect house for you and your family. All right, I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any further questions, please comment below or send us a text at 702-336-8500. Please like and subscribe and share this video to all your friends, and we are looking forward to talking with you on the next one.